Automated Machine Technologies is introducing a servo-programmable peristaltic monoblock machine for vial liquid filling, stoppering and capping. Capable up to 80 bottles per minute productions in pharmaceutical, cosmetic and food packaging. Machine has a very small footprint and has also been validated in pharmaceutical clean rooms. Stoppering is performed for full or partial insertion. Servo peristaltic pump is utilizing patented method for digital compensation of the flow characteristic for ultra-high precision. Calibration for better than 0.5% field precision is immediate from the touchscreen. Servo torque for screw capping is programmable from touchscreen with high resolution and remains very consistent during production. Patented flexible gripper works with large range of different cap sizes and shapes. One machine will outperform functions that normally require employment of many separate machines. AMT monoblock is crafted with the highest proprietary technology for lasting performance and low maintenance. Servo changeover for containers from 1/10 of milliliter to 1 liter is accomplished in less than 10 minutes with a minimum number of change parts. Easily replaceable tubing and nozzles are the only product contact parts. They can be disposable or autoclaved. Print and apply labeling machine complements the AMT monoblock system. The sustained performance and touch of the screen changeover of the AMT labeling machine is achieved via 5 servo drives. The label dispensing, wrapper belt and conveyor belt are all servo-linked and programmable for over 100 products. The label flag projection and vertical position are also servo-programmable. The loose loop is eliminated and hardware is greatly simplified for low maintenance and high reliability.